Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that matter. Enable developer options and USB debugging on the phone, and make sure a DB is installed on your PC. Once done, connect with a reliable cable and change ports. Flaky hardware often mimics driver issues. If Windows prompts for drivers, cancel and proceed to next steps, because manual driver installation is more reliable. Make sure you run a command shell as administrator and have the phone unlocked and set to file transfer or USB debugging mode. You now reset the software layer, run a DB kill server and then a DB start server to clear stale processes. This resolves many handshake problems. Next, open Device Manager and uninstall any MTP or composite ADB interfaces that look wrong, because Windows often binds the wrong driver. Once removed, install the Google USB driver or your OEM driver. Then replug the device so Windows binds the correct driver. Make sure to allow the computer's RSA fingerprint on the phone when prompted. You finish by verifying connectivity. Run a DB devices and confirm your device appears as authorized. If not, revoke USB debugging authorizations on the phone and reconnect. If USB is stubborn, switch the phone's USB mode between file transfer, PTP, or MIDI to trigger a fresh binding. Once you have access, consider enabling a DB over TCP/IP as a workaround. Troubleshooting tip: if drivers and modes fail, test with another PC. Isolating whether the problem is the phone, cable, or computer saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.